Hi everyone, thanks so much for coming back to my channel. I am doing a FabFitFun unboxing and I have a very fun story about this FabFitFun. So if you're interested in seeing what came in my FabFitFun, then please keep watching and let's get started. I'm also going to be choosing with a passion fruit truly. Now there's a mixed review on these. I happen to love them, but I would love to know if you guys like this flavor. I'm a big fan, but not everyone is. So please comment down below what your favorite Truly or White Claw flavor is, because those are my faves. So cheers. Yum. So funny story about this big guy. So it was my birthday on September 1st, and when this goes up, it will be in the past, but you know, some presents and things have been coming in, and Ben's done an amazing job hoarding those and keeping them stashed so that he could give them to me. And he snatched my FabFitFun and put it in with the presents, y'all. And so I saw this and I was like, FabFitFun, who bought me something from there? And he said, oh, I don't know. So it's a couple days late, but we're doing this and I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So they always do this special like sale, you know, with members get extra discounts off and things like that. So I did pick up the Zoe Ayla 10-piece makeup brush set. So this does come with a little makeup baggie, but this is what it looks like. It's a rose gold, and I have really been liking like the tapered brushes. So I'm excited. These look super, super soft, and there's a good variety of face brushes and eyeshadow brushes and things like that. So I'm pumped to see how this kit does. And I don't have a full kit really of brushes per se. So I have a couple here and there that are unique, but not just like a full range. So I wanted to check it out. Okay, the next thing I got is a Daily Concepts Your Body Towel Wrap. So this is for a quick, dry, and comfortable fit, but it is just like an after shower kind of robe that has a button. It's like a robe, but not a robe. And it's towel material. So sometimes it gets just so hot, you know, it's so hot when you get out of the shower and you don't want to put on a big robe. Sometimes you do, but sometimes you don't. So I wanted one of those, and it was a super steal. It was awesome. Now we're moving right along to the main event. So here is the cute fall FabFitFun box. It's got little pomegranates, which perfectly matches my little pomegranate Truly. Boop. These boxes are just so cute. So cute. So we've got the little magazine here. It's got Padma Lakshmi. I am not going to go into this because it tells me all the things in my box and I want to be surprised. But I'm going to read it after my box. Okay, this is interesting. This packaging is adorable. It is the Beauty Crop, which I have gotten some things from them before, but this is Glow Milk. It's nourished with coconut and argan oil, face and body milk. Like what? It has a cute little smiley face. I'm not quite sure what this is for. It's liquid radiance in a bottle. Lit from within, look for your champagne colored liquid highlighter. Hydrates while illuminating the skin, achieving a healthy luminous glow. Oh, okay. So it looks a lot like the, what are they called? It looks a lot like the Cover FX Radiance Drops, like just in a much bigger bottle. So literally almost the same shade here, which I love these. I'm a little nervous about the undertone because that shade is a little dark for me because I'm pasty. However, it could be really nice for some of the beach days and like laying out and stuff like that here in Florida. Interesting. Next we have the crease release. So I'm really excited about this. This is the Laundress New York, and it is like a wrinkle releaser. So you just spray this on and wrinkles released. I feel like that's a really practical item. Obviously we're not doing any traveling, but my clothes still get wrinkled whether I'm traveling or not, so I'm excited about it. Okay, so this is the Glossmetics hair removal device, which is instantly and painlessly sweeping away unwanted hair from any area of your body. It's discreet and portable. It will allow you to carry it anywhere. So it's got a cleaning brush, an instruction manual, a AA battery, and a hair removal device. Okay. We're all doing some things at home, you know, manicures, pedicures. Apparently we're doing hair removal as well. I'm not familiar with the Glossmetics brand, but FabFitFun has never let me down. So this is kind of the little situation here. Love the rose gold. That's super cute. Battery, all the goods are in here. Next, I have the Hythe Tranquility Sleep Mist. So their mission is to amplify our inner and outer beauty while you sleep. Okay, yes. Relax your senses, soothe your skin. It's got witch hazel, lavender oil, and rice water. So this is, I'm guessing, like a spray that you either spray on your pillow or your body. It doesn't quite say, does it? Yes, it says mist around your pillows and sheets to create a calming sleep environment. Let's see. This is the bottle here. So this reminds me of that brand. What is it? Oh yeah, it's very subtle. Very subtle. I feel like that's going to be really easy to just kind of fall asleep to. But there is like a brand of products that's very popular that actually FabFitFun has sent before that's like a lavender pillow spray. I will try and find that and put that in the comments. I use it all the time. I also use their lotion, but any kind of sleepy spray, like I love that stuff. So I typically do not pick jewelry items. So I absolutely love jewelry. I've got some fun little earrings on here. I love jewelry, but I have so much of it that I tend to not pick jewelry. So on this one, I did pick, one of the items was the Jenny Bird bracelet. So this is quite a, I feel like a versatile bracelet. So let's pull it out of this little baggie. Just beautiful. It's your new favorite jewelry brand, Jenny Bird. Remove before swimming, bathing, or showering. Yeah, that's common. This is super cute. So here it is. It is like silver and gunmetal, and then there's a coil here. I love, love, love mixed metals. So for those of you that don't know, kind of my career before dentistry and operations and those kinds of things, I was in like women's boutique management, and so we would style and make women and moms feel amazing, and we styled to their body type, and really just about the full outfit from head to toe, shoes, jewelry, layers, everything. So this will go very, very well in my collection, and it just kind of takes me back to those times when, you know, outfitting and that kind of stuff was my full-time gig, and that was super fun. This is the NCLA Los Angeles Treatment So Rich Vitamin E Infused Cuticle Oil. So since I've been doing a lot of my own manicures at home, I thought this would be a good idea because some of my cuticles really get ripped up. And I just think some cuticle oil, I actually picked that one because it seemed very practical given the fact that I'm doing so many at-home manicures. So this was the one that I was anticipating, and I had mentioned on a couple other videos. So this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. I am wearing it currently. I will wear it again tomorrow, and I love it. So I did pick this just for practicality again. I'm sure I'll run out eventually here, but this little bottle lasts a very long time, and I just think it's great whether you have eyeshadow or eyebrow product in or not. I think it's wonderful. I think it holds. I think it stays put. I think it's one of my favorite ABH products, honestly. That and the brow powder pencil, I think is what it's called. Not sure. Truly break. So this is by Uncommon James. It is a hammered copper canister set. So this is dishwasher safe, but the lid's hand wash only. It contains 2 metal copper plated canisters with wood lids. Cool. So I was talking to Ben, and you know, we're looking at buying a home in the future, and we were kind of talking about color schemes. And I really love a black and white kitchen, but I also really enjoy copper. I don't think you see a ton of black, white, and copper, so you know, I'm open to those suggestions from my interior design family. You know I'm talking to you, you know, girl. My sister-in-law is an amazing interior designer, so Hannah, we will need your advice in the future. How cute is that? I won't break it. Okay. These are packaged very well, you guys. Like wrapped again. And what are those little nesting dolls? They're stacked like nesting dolls, so they are very well packaged, safe and sound. But look at how cute they are. Like this is a pretty little color here. So if you guys got these, I know you're super excited about it, probably like I am. So I'm pumped. So that is it for all my goodies. Honestly, I think it's hard to say what I'm most excited about. I'm really excited about the canisters, super pumped about the bracelet situation. Not a ton of like makeup things here, but I'm quite all right with that. And I have plenty to work through on my own. But you know, let me know what you guys got in your FabFitFun and what your favorite Truly drink is. Comment down below, White Claw or Truly, and which flavor. And thanks so much for tuning in. I hope you guys are all having a wonderful start to September. It is the best month ever. It is Ben and I's anniversary month. It is my birthday month. It's my Nana's birthday month. It's also the month Ben proposed. So lots of exciting times. But I hope you're all doing well, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.